Welcome to Grand Central Kitchen, the Monday morning special, where all of the action happens. We just have an unusually high traffic and an overly busy kitchen. We have 12 kids and 10 of them still live here with us. We have art classes, birthday parties, holiday celebrations, and plenty of dishes to wash. You name it and it happens here. So come along and join the fun. Good morning, friends. It's me, Michelle. How are you? It's been a crazy morning. It was actually crazy last night. Why? Because I got under the weather. I don't feel right. I didn't get a lot of stuff done. I took a lot of stuff to try to help me feel better. Got up this morning, and just because I'm sick doesn't mean I don't need to do my morning routines. I still did all my morning routines. I still got up, made the bed, listened to my scriptures, did my hair and my makeup. Sure, I didn't do a real fast, I just did a real fast job, but hey, it's better than nothing. Got the kids ready, got them off to school. Then I just reversed my schedule a little bit, and now I'll take care of my kitchen duties. So here we go. Do you remember how I told you that I spotlessly clean the kitchen? Yeah, I do. But look, there's stuff everywhere. Okay, maybe it's not a huge disaster, but it's way more than it used to be. So here we go. That's what I've got to take care of. I'll clean all this up real quick, and then I'll talk back to you. I love Mondays, don't you? I think they're great, giving us a chance to start over, start a new day, a new week even. Another thing I like to do on Mondays is to make a list of everything I want to accomplish throughout the week. From my routines and other Fly Lady chores to doctor appointments, lunch dates with friends, and other activities. And then I divide it up through the week as it fits best in each day. I do that same thing with my monthly plans and my yearly plans as well. It really helps to keep things running smoothly. I keep my plans fairly open though. That way, when something unexpected happens, I have enough flexibility to move things around as I need to. So if you're not already using a list, a planner, or a calendar of some kind, I would highly recommend it, just to help you keep from losing your marbles altogether. If you have any questions or comments about any of this, be sure to leave a comment below. I really love comments. So here's the thing. I do Fly Lady to fit my life. It works for me. She has set routines for us to do every day. You do them in the morning and in the evening. Fly Lady Cat has made it so that we add the laundry routine and a paper routine. That way our homes don't get overwhelmed with clutter. The best part about these routines is they're for us. They help us to remember to take care of ourselves. That's why we get ready in the morning and swish and swipe our bathrooms and tidy up our kitchens and whatever else we need to do. It just makes our lives run smoother. So here's a tip for you. When you're working in a room, stay put until you finish the job. For instance, I'm in the kitchen. I'm not going to leave the kitchen until I've cleared and wiped the counters again. Till I've put the dishes away and changed the tablecloth, wash the dishes, and start the laundry, all before I leave the kitchen area. This helps keep me focused and to stay productive. For the next step, she offers a basic weekly plan for us to follow. The best part of the basic weekly plan is that it reminds us to do the things that we would normally sometimes forget or we wouldn't even take time to do. Fly Lady recommends that we start the week off by doing a home blessing hour, where you sweep real quick, you vacuum real quick, you dust real quick, you change your sheets real quick, mop the floors, and then take all of the trash out. It really makes a difference. You'd be surprised. The list continues with these tasks: cleaning out your fridge, your purse, your car, going through the mail, going over bills, paying the bills, and getting groceries. You know, the stuff sometimes that we would just put off, or put off just way too long. She'll break it down so that you just do one of these things each day. But I like to do as many as I can on Monday. Sometimes I don't finish it on Monday, and then I'll just move whatever I didn't do on Monday on Tuesday or Wednesday. But I try to knock all of it out as quick as I can because I never know what's going to happen the rest of the week. With such a large family and so many activities, it's just crazy how it can get. So I found that if I do more on Monday, then I have less to do on the weekend as well. It really works great for me. It may not work for everyone, but it works great for me. The last thing we have to do are zones. Zones are when we take the house and we break it up into different sections. That way we can try to fit all of those different areas of the house into just 1 month. That way we can just do a little bit at a time every day, and it will be beautiful. Last week was the kitchen zone. Next week is the master bedroom and bathroom zone. But this week is the main bathroom and one other room. But just cleaning one bathroom and one other room is not enough for me. Not with the amount of people we have using the bathrooms every day. And they all use all of them. So I take one bathroom and one extra room every day, Monday to Thursday, being sure to focus on each room's needs. Does that make sense? I mean, I don't really care if the master bedroom gets a deep clean twice in a month. I do a quick clean 3 times a week on each bathroom. But when you're working in the zone, you do a deeper clean in the room that's clarified. So doing it this way makes it so that my master bedroom gets a double dose. And that's not a bad thing for me. I have the time. Why not? I'm only doing up to 4 things in each room, and they're at 15-minute increments. That's not much at all. It really makes a difference and gives me a double the result that I'm looking for. I'm still not working on all of it for more than 3 hours in a day or so, and for only a few days a week. It's quite wonderful. Of course, I wouldn't recommend that tactic for everyone. I mean, if you have a disability or even small kids at home, there's just no way you could do that. I have more free time. I still read books and do things that I want to do, but it just makes it so that my house is the way that I want it to be. But it's not taking up my entire day, and that's the best part of doing the Fly Lady system. Now, all I have left to do is clean the half bath, the laundry room, and do the laundry, and as many 15-minute challenges as I possibly can today. I'll knock those out as soon as I can. Tomorrow, I'll clean the kids' bathroom and the playroom, at least a deep clean, and then Wednesday, I'll do the master bedroom and bathroom. It works so great when I do it like this. These videos are kind of great because you could totally just wash dishes the same time I'm cleaning my kitchen. And then your kitchen will be clean by the time you're done watching these, you know? Also, if your dishes are done, you could just sit down and take a few notes. Or you could write down your list of things that you need to accomplish this week, or for the month, or the year. Do you see how that goes? I'm really just trying to be helpful and to help you be motivated so that you can have your house and your life and your mind in the perfect order that'll keep you happy. No, nothing's perfect in our lives. Nothing's perfect in our mind. Nothing's perfect in life at all. But what's wrong with being perfectly imperfect? Anyways, it looks like I only have a few dishes left to wash. I'll just get them finished up, and then I'll be able to finish the rest of my day. I really have a lot to do. And you know, doing everything 15 minutes at a time is going to make it happen. It'll all get finished. If not today, then tomorrow. But the point is that I'm consistently trying to get it done. I'm dedicated to finishing it all. And I am one determined mother. That's for sure. So feel free to stick around as I sit down and wrap this up. I hope that you've loved everything that I've been able to share with you today, and I hope you've been able to take it the way that I intended it to be taken. I really do just want to be able to help you. I want to be able to motivate you so that you're willing to at least do your kitchen every day. That would be just a huge, huge ordeal, right? I mean, think about it. Just 15 minutes a day in the morning and at night, your kitchen would be pristine all the time. With every room and every zone that you have to clean, be sure to remember that it has to be decluttered first. So in the zone that you're in charge of, make sure that you actually get rid of everything in that room that doesn't belong there before you do the deep cleaning. That's imperative. And it's a step I missed for years because I wasn't aware of it. I thought all I had to do was clean, clean, clean. I didn't know you had to declutter first. Sure, I'd declutter an area here and an area there, but never did I realize that you needed to include decluttering in the zone before you got to the deep cleaning. So there you go. Learn from my bad experience all these years. And then just do these things one step at a time, one day at a time. And eventually your home will be sparkling and beautiful the way you always imagined it. The peace that we feel when the house is cleaned up is just amazing. It's wonderful. Okay, so now I'm done with my morning routine. And I did have to do a few more dishes so the dishes aren't put away, but I can come back when I change the laundry and put those away real quick. I've got about 2 more loads to get sorted upstairs and to make sure they're ready to go so I can do it real quick in a snap. And then I need to do the rest of the things I get to do today. I still have my zone cleaning to do, and then the rest of the day is free. Now, here's a tip. I am like Fly Lady on steroids, all right? Don't feel bad if you think that I'm doing too much and you're not doing enough. That's not true. I've been doing Fly Lady for so many years, or Fly Lady style for so many years, like working in zones and all that, that I'm really good at it because I know it goes pretty fast, the cleanup part of it. And once you're convinced of that, everything else is cheesy easy. So here's the thing. Just get it done. It doesn't take that long. I mean, in here, even with all the visiting with my son and all the activities, right here, it's not even at 30 minutes. So even if I was doing it a different way, it's still less than an hour from waking up in the morning, making my bed and getting ready. It's done. It's done. I'll have about an hour of my zone I'll do today, but that's what you get. This is a sneak peek into my life. I'm just trying to show you how easy it is for you to do. So I love it when you subscribe. I love it when I get notifications that you've made a comment. I have so many new subscribers. It's making me so excited. And I've been enjoying the comments I'm getting. So just keep throwing them down and I'll answer them because that's so fun for me. Take care, have a great day, and you get your day done too. Bye.